Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 8th, 2021. Today, we're going to update you all on our price prediction for Churchill Capital. CCIV is the ticker symbol. Before I get started into that, I wanted to plug you all on our website, HueFinancial.com. You guys can go ahead and head on over there to see all of our other plays that we are seeing within the stock market. It is free. All you have to do is come on through, sign up, and then you have access to the plays that we are noticing within the stock market. Now, if you appreciate our price predictions of us giving you all a heads up as to where price is going to go within a plethora of stocks, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We're not here to FOMO you. We're not here to fudge you. We simply pay attention to where price is anticipated to go to ensure we are in position to capitalize from it. That's it. So now let's take a look at CCIV Churchill. February the 16th was the last time we did our price prediction, and you guys can see it. It is plotted right there in the middle of my screen. We expected the market in CCIV to go higher in price. Literally the same day the market in CCIV closed all the way up there around $53. So if anything, we've seen a plethora of days to where we could have capitalized massively on that forecast. Okay, even 4 days into our forecast, the market in CCIV came all the way up there towards $57.60, which is about 49% profitability. This is why it is important for anyone who is giving you all predictions or anticipating, giving you recommendations that a particular instrument is a buy. They need to also let you know when they would take their profit, because many people, while CCIV was trading around the $60 to $57 price, they were still expecting the market to go higher. But for us, we were down here around 50, took out the market around 30% in profit right there. So this definitely is important for you to try to get accustomed to into taking profits out the market. Don't fall in love with stocks. Don't fall in love with buy recommendations. You need to understand that once you enter the market, you need to have an exit. You cannot stay in these retail establishments forever. I mean, treat it like a regular day business. Like when you go into any store, you don't stay in there for 12 weeks. You don't stay in the market you don't stay in Target or Macy's or any other store for 52 weeks. You go into the store, you get what you came for, and you walk out, right? The same thing in this market. Do not treat the stock market as something totally different. It is the same thing. That's why they call it a market. There are buyers and sellers. So now, the first question I wanted to ask you, though, is do you think CCIV is still in an uptrend? Just looking at the price chart the way it is, can you confirm if the market in CCIV is still trending high in price? Because from what I'm seeing, that is a emphatic no. The market is not in an uptrend anymore. So if anything, we can throw that out the window. We will not be expecting a market in CCIV to go higher in price until we see a resumption or a start of a new trend higher. That is not in play right now. So that leaves us two other options, which is we can see the market in CCIV trade sideways, right? Or the market will continue to go lower in price. Okay. So let's look at this on a different time frame real quick. As you can see right here that the market in CCIV broke the trend right there on this 3-day price bar. And since then, the market has been going lower. Now, already I can see the establishment of support. Okay. This is the support area into the market for CCIV. $19.70, give or take, is where the market support is. All right. This is where restriction is. So this is that trading channel that I was talking about that we can see the market in CCIV actually trade. It's around $27 to $30. All right. Let me see real quick on the 2-day time frame. So yeah, we'll do this initial area right here around $27 for CCIV. So this is the area that we can actually see the market bounce. Okay, so now we came right back down into this area. We could see the market in CCIV either break that to the downside, or we can see the market in CCIV break it back up to the upside. Okay, so this is what we're getting into the market in CCIV. Now, real quick, let's take a look at this on the 5-day time frame, because the market is giving us a probable precursors of strength. That simply means that we need to allow the confirmation to follow through on the next 5-day price bar. We need to see the market actually close above the close from this last 5-day. Okay, so I'm not expecting the market to really do a lot in CCIV. Just pretty much seeing the market bounce in that line, those two lines I got drawn on the chart. Now on the movement to the downside, okay, if we see more strength, more volume coming to the market around $22.50, that's going to be the market propping this right there. That is where the market's going to prop itself up, and we'll see some strength entering in. But as of this moment, the market in CCIV is still garnering some weakness. Okay, so now what do you all expect to see into the market in CCIV? For us, there have been some buyers definitely coming through the last two 11-hour price bars, okay, which is good to see, because it is confirming that $22.50 definitely wants to be maintained as support. On the 3-hour time frame, definitely we're seeing some emphasis in market strength entering in here in CCIV. A lot of people are seeing that this area is a prime opportunity to come in and buy some of these shares, right? You can see it right there though on the 45-minute chart that the area of restriction in CCIV is coming in around $25. So that is where the lid is currently into the market in CCIV. But I don't think that it's going to be a big problem into the market to really suppress price from going lower. Okay, so what we're going to do on this particular video, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in CCIV. Okay, now granted, that is going to be real contingent on price keeping itself above $19.75, give or take. Okay, we established over the last 2 days that the area of restrictions is around $25. Okay, now we're going to hold ultimate area of restriction TP right there around $27.50. That is where we're going to expect the market to go. The first near-term area of support right now is right here around $23.20. But like I said, I'm looking for the market to really bounce in between those two lines that I got drawn on the chart. So long as we trade above $19.50, the market in CCIV is going to consolidate in between those lines and move higher in price. All right. So that is our forecast into the market in CCIV. The trend is broken, so I'm not establishing a new bullish trend. I'm just simply looking for this market in CCIV to trade in that channel. Okay, and then as we see this market continue to trade and the trap continues to drop in more breadcrumbs, we should have a better idea if we're going to break out of this channel to the upside, or will we break it to the downside, because right now the downtrend is dominating the market. Okay, which is why we're going to be real stringent and constrained on how high we think the market is going to go. So now this is what we're seeing. Let us know what you all seen to the market in CCIV. Let us know with the comments in the comment section as to what your price prediction is for this particular product. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.